Both chambers of Congress have ratified this proposed 6.352 trillion peso national budget for next year. This, as Presidential Communications Office says, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is expected to sign the 2025 budget before Christmas. PTV's Daniel Manalastas has more.
As the Bicameral Conference Committee for the 2025 National Budget finished its work, they agreed to retain the budget of the Office of the Vice President to 733 million pesos for next year.
Lahat naman tayo, meron tayong wish list na gusto nating mapagbigyan. Pero sa huli, mananaig din yung mayorya. Inexplika ko naman sa kanila na meron namang pagkakataon yung Office of the Vice President na tumulong pa rin. Meron silang social services allotment na 600 million na pwede nilang gamitin para dyan. Hindi naman sila nawalan.
Meanwhile, on the another contentious provision such as AKAP, it will still be funded next year. But here's the twist.
Dati ito ay sa House initiative lamang. Pero bilang co-equal body at para naman may transparency, ang Senate ay meron ding pagkakataon na makatulong sa pamamagitan ng AKAP. So yung initial amount na hinihingi ng House na 39 billion, if I'm not mistaken, medyo napababa natin sa about 26 billion or 20 plus billion. So hindi siya katulad nung hinihingi nila, pero napagbigyan natin dahil nga itong AKAP ay mas lalo nating pinaklaro kung para saan ba ito.
Senator Sherwin Gatchalian clarified some issues on AKAP.
Kasi at the end of the day, it's the executive budget to, hindi naman legislative budget to. We can only do so much in terms of referrals, but it's the execution of the executive side will matter.
Meanwhile, House Speaker Martin Romualdez assured an increased budget for soldiers' subsistence allowance.
Napakamagandang balita kaya kagaya ng ginawa natin na linagay natin ng increase of the AFP for our soldiers. Daily subsistence allowance, we increased it from 150 to 350. That is going to be maintained and fully supported para sa ating mga sundalo.
On the other hand, senators expressed different opinions on the budget of PhilHealth. Senator Grace Poe said the agency has reserve funds.
Ang PhilHealth ay hindi nabigyan ng budget sapagkat kailangan nilang gamitin muna yung kanilang reserve funds.
But yun nga lang, yung legality ang baka ma-question kasi nga nasa batas yan.
Yan nga yung naging issue Hindi nila ginagastos yung kanilang pera.
Some senators expressed dismay on what happened to the DOST's budget.
Nalulungkot ako dahil sa DOST budget hindi nabigyan ng additional. Kawawa naman yung TVOX, di ba? Sumabog yung Bulkan Kanlaon nung isang araw. Kulang daw sila ng monitoring equipment.
Once the budget process concludes in Congress, it will be up for the President's review and signature. From PTV, Daniel Manalastas, Balitang Pambansa.